Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add contributors on GitHub. If you're working on a project with a team, adding contributors on GitHub is essential for collaboration. It allows other people to access your repository, make changes, and contribute to your project efficiently. Whether you're building a small project or managing a team, GitHub makes it easy to control who can access and edit your code. To begin, open your browser and log into your account on GitHub. Once you're inside your dashboard, navigate to the repository where you want to add contributors. You can click on your profile section to find it. Click on the repository name to open it. At the top of the repository page, look for the Settings tab and click on it. This is where you manage access and permissions. Inside the Settings page, scroll down or look at the sidebar for the Collaborator section. Click on Collaborators. Now, click on the Add People button. A search bar will appear where you can enter the GitHub username or the email address of the person you want to add. Type in the correct username and select it from the list. The person will now receive an invitation to collaborate on your repository. They must accept the invitation before they can start contributing. Once accepted, they will have access based on the permissions you assigned. Using GitHub makes collaboration simple by allowing you to manage contributors and permissions easily. To summarize, adding contributors on GitHub involves going to your repository settings, opening the Collaborator section, inviting a user, assigning permissions, and sending the invitation. Once accepted, the contributor can start working on your project. This is especially important as your project grows. Having the right people with the right level of access helps you stay organized, avoid mistakes, and maintain control over your code base. You can also combine this with features like branches, pull requests, and code reviews to create a smooth and professional development workflow. If you're serious about building projects or working with others, mastering these small steps is what separates messy collaboration from clean, scalable teamwork. And that's how to add contributors on GitHub. By managing access and permissions properly, you can collaborate effectively and keep your project organized. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.